So I'm walking home from the Embracing the Edge conference today. I gave two presentations, actually the same presentation twice. Of course, it's a little different every time. And it was called Design Still Matters, was the title of the presentation. And it kind of occurred to me just on my way home that there was one point in the presentation where I'm talking about the intersection of ideas about design, presentation design, and instructional design, and what does the intersection of those three things look like. And at one point when I'm talking about those three things, I showed a video of the coyote and the roadrunner. It's kind of like, as soon as people see that, you know, and I titled it "The Coyote as Designer," I kind of say to them, so how many of you know how this is going to end? Of course, everybody knows how it's going to end. And I say, but you still want to see it through. And I don't know if I expressed this clearly enough in the presentation, but people pay attention. They want to watch the coyote try to catch the roadrunner as he creates these crazy Rube Goldberg machines in order to try to catch the roadrunner, which always ends up backfiring on himself. And of course, what's compelling about those stories is the process. The process he goes through, and the way that Rube Goldberg machine plays out in these crazy ways. It just occurred to me that kind of echoes what I was previously talking about in an earlier video when we were talking about some of Michael Fullan's ideas, specifically how do we plan for teacher change, or what kinds of change are important for teachers. And we were talking about the importance of paying attention to process and progress in small incremental steps. It seems to me that when we watch video like the coyote trying to catch the roadrunner, we pay attention to that process. And if we paid similar attention to the process of what our students are learning in our classes, and then try to celebrate those small successes, maybe that turns into something really wonderful for that kid. What do you think? How would you describe those? What little process would you pay attention to in your classroom? If you're so inclined, leave me a comment on the vid. Thanks. Cheers.